Hey cadets, Captain Crypto back again, here to talk to you about hacks. All right, so what's going on?
I'm about to eat a delicious sandwich.
Shout out to Joe Roth and Connor Hontron from Radar Relay.
All right, so we're at a Photoshoot studio, green wall. You know, if you want to shoot Adam and Eve scene, it comes with 100% authentic cotton. You know, in case you get hungry. We're shooting on a Canon C100. This is a good all-around shooter's camera. You can't go wrong with the C100. It's sturdy, it's reliable. Nice L series lens on this baby. So that's my Uber.
We're taking this off because it's not working. And we're gonna bounce it against this bounce board here.
This is for you ladies out there. Nate's about to change his shirt. I recommend a new set of underwear after this shot. We're gonna go with a nice silky gray made out of mithril.
Radar Relay's colors are green and gray.
We just got a new Tascam DR10L. This is specifically designed as a body lavalier. Nate, why are you laughing? And so we're using this to get good audio from Nate's voice, but we're also gonna use it to sync up with the camera audio. Usually you put the lavalier right above the heart area.
Gio's testing the sound right now.
You rolling?
Yeah.
About to begin shooting. Nathan has the script right in front of him. We're gonna be using a teleprompter, so he doesn't have to memorize all the words. And back in the day, he used to memorize every single word.
Here to talk to you about hacks. Another option is decentralized exchanges. Put up your money in proprietary smart contracts. Is there another option? Crypto?
Cut! Beautiful.
All right, so it's been about 4 hours and we done. Dylan here is helping us break it down. What up? Got the Phil. What?
Oh God, just donut crust. Yeah, we just finished wrapping on the Radar Relay shoot.
Shout out to Joe and Connor again, and everybody at Radar Relay. It's time.